In my experience, it certainly is a lot more difficult for a deskless worker to have the same alignment, right, so to speak. People who are not in a position to have a computer terminal by them, or they're just way too busy with getting the job done. That doesn't necessarily mean that they're not actively at work, but it just means that email is just not something they are able to get to regularly. Internal communications strategists need to pick up on these cues, right? Sort of get onto the shop floor, as they used to say, and really get into the shoes of what your employees do. What does a typical shift look like for an employee, and build some of those insights about, whoa, that's why, it's not really realistic that they'll get to an email today. Are you able to support employees with the technology that they need? And if you're not, then you need to think about the mix of communications tactics that you are using. If your employees don't have the right tools to participate in your communications initiatives, then you're inadvertently leaving them out. We definitely have left the era of the one-to-many type of communication, right? That era of the CEO's message or email, or the executive vice president's email or message going out to 20,000 employees as being sort of the gold standard for, well, we've communicated. We've definitely left one-to-many, and we're solidly in the era of many-to-many. And this is influenced, and it takes a page from social media communications. So when you think about social media, that's definitely not one-to-many. That's definitely a many-to-many type of network. People are going to tell other people, and social networks are the ones that will be the arbiter of what brands are the most trusted or the most successful, because we have that ability to communicate many-to-many. So it's not just the technology. It's not just about having, an iPhone 12 versus, a flip phone, but it's the expectations of employees. So employees' expectations of how we can find out information has definitely changed. And that's directly influenced by how we communicate in our lives via other social networks. Why wouldn't employees want to have some venue where they can talk to other employees, or even talk to senior management and have that same kind of exchange?